wena uzothi hey likhanyani hey ngipholile ka likhanyani akusulu khanyana apholisa abantu if upholile ka likhanyani amadimoni la agulisini mawuya ka likhanyani idemon eliphethe likhanyani elicontrol likhanyani uma likhanyani akunikeza iswaso or indawo ene wena uyaphila uphiliswa idemoni le eligulisini idemoni le elenza ukuthi ugule uma ulikhanyana akunikeza indayele zakhe ene uyaphila uphila because idemoni eligulisini le bayutshela uSathane ukuthi hey manje lo muntu lesimbambile manje uyagula uphumile kulabazali bami sekasonto ZCC so ke masimpholiseni ke so that azobona ukuthi lapha kalikhanyani kunamandla kanti simbambile ukuthi angayezulwini so yena uzothi ngiyahlala lapha kalikhanyani ngoba ngiphilile ngize la ngigula abazalwana abakhulu kungiphilisa kanti idemoni lekathi lokugulisile licela uSathane ukuthi hey sicela ukuthi nimphilise ngoba manje sekazile ecampini yethu kodwa sizoyenza ukuthi buyele kule nsindiso so that makafa uye esihogweni. Do you understand ukuthi abantu abagcwele kalikhanyani abuningi babo bayila because bagula abanye bayila because bafuna izinto ebazifunayo so amadimoni ayabanikeza lento lezo so that bazojabulela ukuhlala kalikhanyani bahlale bafaka ikepisi nebhezi bathi benginesitolo since ngiza la sikhulile kanti uSathane ubanikeza ngamabomu nezinto ukuthi bahlale lapho bazokhona ukubiza abanye bomzala hey bengiphethwe isandla ngaka likhanyani ngipholile kanti no niguliswe amadimoni nipholiswa amadimoni so that nina ningayosindiswa so that manishona manifania ezihogweni nonke.
Hello you guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and of course to make sure that you share this video. So Brother Enigma is added once again talking about the Church of the Zion Christian Church, and a lot of the church followers are fuming for his alleged revelations, you guys. Now he says that there is no healing in that church at all. The only reason why people think that they have found healing in that church, he says, and let me use the word allegedly because this is what Brother Enigma is actually alleging, you guys. Now he says that demons which have made a person sick will make a deal with the devil and tell him that you've joined the Church of the ZCC and the demon, rather the dark side, should make you heal so that you think that you got that healing, that particular healing from the ZCC Church and its leader. He says that in that way they know that you will think that's where you got the healing, that's where you got the salvation, and so that you can stay there and die in sin. Eventually you will be going to hell, you guys. Brother Enigma is saying, he says that that is the ploy for demons and the devil to win you into the kingdom of darkness, as they know that there is no salvation at God. ZCC, Brother Enigma alleges, and he says that in that way the devil will keep you in that church forever, so that you think that you have found God in there, knowing very well that you haven't. You're still in the dark. You're still, praising the leader. This is what Brother Enigma is saying. Anyways, what are your thoughts? Please do engage them with me in the comment section, and of course do not forget to subscribe if you haven't yet done so, and also make sure that you share this video so that you do not miss out whenever I try to upload a new video. Thank you so much for clicking and deciding on watching this one. I'll see you in my next upload, and may God bless you all. Bye.